helps users choose reliable internet extension, improve speed, reduce lag, ensure stable connectivity, and avoid poor-performing networking devices. Today's video is about top 5 best Powerline adapters review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at PlusPo 60W Gigabit PO++ injector. This Gigabit PO++ injector is a powerful and efficient networking solution designed for both home and professional setups. With a 1 gigabit per second input LAN port and a PO++ gigabit output delivering up to 2 gigabits per second full duplex speed, it ensures fast and stable data transmission without bottlenecks. Its auto-sensing technology intelligently supplies up to 60 W of power while maintaining backward compatibility with IEEE 802.3 AF, 15.4 W, and 802.3 at PO+ 30 W devices, making it highly versatile for different network equipment. One of its strongest advantages is long-distance transmission support, allowing data and power delivery up to 100 meters, 328 feet. This makes it ideal for IP cameras, wireless access points, and remote installations where power outlets are limited. Built with flame-retardant materials, it ensures safety and durability in continuous operation. Its plug-and-play design removes any setup complexity. Just connect and use instantly. Compatible with CCTV systems, IP phones, NAS, smart TVs, and modern routers, this injector is a reliable, cost-effective choice for stable PO networking. Now our second product is TP-Link AV2000 Powerline Ethernet adapter. This home plug AV2 Powerline adapter system is a smart and practical solution for extending reliable wired internet through existing electrical wiring. It is especially useful in situations where Wi-Fi range extenders or direct Ethernet cabling fail to deliver stable connectivity, making it ideal for multi-story homes, basements, attics, and garages. With AV2000 Powerline speeds, it can transmit data over distances up to 750 feet, helping maintain strong network access throughout large or complex home layouts. The 2x2 MIMO technology with beamforming significantly improves stability and performance by optimizing data flow across multiple paths, ensuring smoother streaming, online gaming, and remote work experiences. Dual gigabit Ethernet ports provide flexible wired connections for devices like smart TVs, gaming consoles, PCs, and NAS systems, while included cables simplify setup. However, performance depends on electrical wiring quality, circuit alignment, and interference, and it requires direct wall outlets, not surge protectors. Overall, this is a high-performance, secure, and easy-to-use networking upgrade backed by strong cybersecurity design principles. Our third product is TP-Link AV1000 Powerline Ethernet Adapter Kit. This home plug AV2 Powerline adapter offers a practical and efficient way to extend a stable Ethernet connection through your home's existing electrical wiring. It is especially useful in environments where Wi-Fi signals struggle or where running new cables is not feasible, such as multi-story houses, basements, attics, and garages. With AV1000 Powerline speeds, it provides reliable wired connectivity that adapts to your internet plan's maximum speed, while helping overcome physical barriers like thick walls. A key advantage is its gigabit Ethernet port, which ensures fast and secure wired connection for devices such as desktops, smart TVs, and gaming consoles. The inclusion of Ethernet cables and plug, pair, and play functionality makes installation simple, requiring no technical configuration. However, performance depends on electrical wiring quality, circuit consistency, and interference, and it will not function through surge protectors. Overall, this is a dependable networking solution that combines convenience, security, and broad compatibility for home users seeking stronger wired internet coverage. Now number 4, G.HN Powerline Ethernet Adapter Kit. This Powerline Ethernet adapter offers a reliable and practical solution for extending stable internet connectivity through your home's existing electrical wiring. It transforms any standard power outlet into a high-speed network point, making it an excellent choice for streaming, online gaming, and remote work where consistent performance is essential. With Gigabit Ethernet support and advanced LDPC/FEC error correction, it helps reduce latency, minimize packet loss, and maintain smoother data transmission even in busy network environments. This results in noticeably improved gaming responsiveness and buffer-free media streaming. One of its key strengths is easy network expansion, supporting up to 16 compatible Powerline devices, making it suitable for larger homes or office setups. The plug-and-play design eliminates the need for complex Ethernet cable installations, offering a clean and convenient setup process. However, performance depends on electrical wiring quality and circuit conditions. Overall, this Nexus Link G.HN-based solution combines innovation, stability, and ease of use for dependable whole-home connectivity. And our last choice is TrendNet Powerline 500 Avenue Nano Adapter Kit. The TrendNet TPL 406 E2K Powerline 500 Avenue Nano Adapter Kit offers a compact and dependable way to extend wired internet through your home's existing electrical wiring. Designed for simplicity and stability, it allows users to connect one adapter to the router and another to any power outlet, instantly creating a secure high-speed network without the need for new Ethernet cabling. With support for up to 8 adapters, this system is highly scalable, making it suitable for multi-room connectivity in homes or small office environments. The built-in Ethernet port ensures a stable wired connection for devices like smart TVs, desktop PCs, and gaming consoles, delivering more consistent performance than standard Wi-Fi in challenging areas. Setup is quick and beginner-friendly, featuring plug-and-play installation with auto-encrypted pairing for added security. It also comes backed by 3-year manufacturer protection and reliable English-speaking technical support, adding confidence for long-term use. However, performance depends on electrical wiring quality and circuit conditions. Overall, it's a practical, secure, and easy networking solution for expanding home internet coverage. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.